Let's enjoy this funny video together. Hello guys, let's watch this video together. Let's go. Just watch and you will enjoy it. Let's go.
God have mercy upon us.
Madam, wetin happen? Say they eat like goat.
I don't understand. Now small dey chop am. Me sef I no go understand where.
How you go say na small small? Now you dey sound like goat.
Yeah, wait, calm down. Make I chop am again.
You need deliverance.
Abeg, madam, I no understand. The sound na
How you go say you no understand? No be you dey
No be
eat
me
the
dey
food.
do am. Na the food dey make the sound.
The food dey make the sound. Hey, not I no go see for this shop.
Na your food dey make.
How you go say na the food dey make
I
sound?
check am again first.
You need prayer. You need all the general overseers for Nigeria make dem pray for
Make I
you,
dey chop am now.
including Sele. They need to flog you broom.
Madam, leave am. Shebi I come buy food for your shop.
Because you come buy food, you come dey
Make I
cause
no
nuisance for my
chop.
shop. I no like am,
Abeg,
madam.
leave am.
I no like am.
Leave am.
You wan
Make
pursue
I
my
chop
customer?
now. I don't know where the sound dey come from. Say make I no chop food, make I use my money buy again.
Because you use your money buy food, you come dey make noise for my shop.
Abeg, leave
You
that
no
one.
wan make customer enter.
Customer go enter, see na my sound. Na you no wan make customer
Your son go
enter
pursue
your shop.
them o. You no get table manners abeg.
Abeg, leave table manners for
Dem no
house.
teach you table manners for
You
school.
know where they sell food, you dey talk of table manners. Madam, forget that thing, abeg. Forget am.
I no like